Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send a view once voice message on WhatsApp using the latest update. This new feature gives you more control over your privacy by letting you send audio messages that can only be played one time. After they're heard, they completely disappear, just like view once photos and videos. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the most recent version so you have access to the newest features. Once you're in, go to the chat where you want to send your voice message. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Next, tap and hold the microphone icon at the bottom right of your screen. To make recording easier, swipe up to lock the recording feature. This way, you can speak freely without having to keep your finger pressed down. While your message is recording, you'll see a small view. Once icon appear, usually shaped like a number 1 surrounded by a circle, located right above the send button. That icon is the key to making your message disappear after one play. When you tap it, it activates the view once setting for that specific voice note. Now that you've chosen the view once option, all that's left to do is tap send. Your voice message will be delivered instantly, but once the receiver listens to it, the message will vanish. It can't be replayed, forwarded, or saved. It's a simple and secure way to send quick private voice notes that won't linger in the chat. And that's it. You've just sent your first view once voice message on WhatsApp. This feature is great for sharing personal moments, confidential updates, or just adding a little extra privacy to your conversations. Give it a try today and experience the newest way to keep your messages personal and temporary.